Hi everyone. We are going to see now lesson 3 using mail merge. Lesson 3 using mail merge. What is a mail merge? Mail merge is a letter sending a letter with a similar information to a different people is known as mail merge. There are 3 topics here. Let us see these 3 topics about using mail merge. We need these 3 topics to use a mail merge. First one, data source, main document, merge field. What is data source? Data source is a table form making a list of addresses. What are the titles? We can give as our convenient. Here we are making a tabular form, a letter means tables with the addresses whichever needed, name, address, city, pin, telephone number. In page number 20 you have given the table form that is known as data source. Next is the main document. Main document is the letter there where you can type a main letter. Okay. Second is a merge field. Merge field that you can combine with the data source and the main document. So let us see now how to create a mail merge. The first step. Here I have opened a MS Word file. Word file. I have created a short letter here. So like that you can also make a invitation or any quotations of a business or any letter you can type. I have typed a short letter here in a birthday party invitation. So here I am going to send to many people. I am going to send. First I have created this. I have opened MS Word and typed this letter. I have typed this letter to send to many people. Okay. So I have typed here a letter, small type of letter. So you can also type like this same small short type of letter. This type of letter is known as main document. Okay, you can make a quotation also. For that you have to go to the top of the page. First you have to click on the mailings tab, click on the mailings tab. References, page layout, insert home. There are many tabs here. You click on the mailings tab and go to start mail merge. You will have to select the last step by step mail merge wizard. You click in that and you get here in the sideways, in the right side you get the box, the top menu box that you can use it. Here there are 6 steps for task pen. In the right side there are 6 steps that you can see here. One by one, clicking by one you can type this. In the right side it is shown here. Here letters, email, envelopes, labels, directory. So you can select any one. I have selected the letters option. Then as soon as you finish, go down and select the next one. Here at the down there is a next command. You can give the next command and get the another title. Here select starting document. Okay, you can give the current document which you have on the screen. So I have selected the current document. Then the next step like that you can select as your convenient. Okay, I have chosen a existing list. Next, you can use anything. I have chosen a greeting line. So you can also choose a dear is a here greeting line. Okay, I have chosen a greeting line. Then next you can give next command and select the next topic. So if you have already recipient list you can use, otherwise you can edit the recipient list, otherwise you can make a new list also. Next here print command. So the 6 steps you have to complete. Okay, now how to let us see how to make a recipient list. recipient list you select here in the select recipient list. Okay, now we are going to see creating a recipient list. You can go to select recipient list. Okay, and there are options here, type a new list or using an existing list. So I am here opening the existing list because I have already created a recipient list, so I am going to create. So otherwise you can open a new one, select a recipient list, use existing one if you have saved, otherwise type a new list. Okay, I am going to type a new list, and here there are many points: title, first name, last name and company name, and many titles are given here. On the top you can see many titles are given there. You can move the mouse, scroll the mouse and see the topics. Whatever topics you want you can keep it, otherwise you can delete it. There are 4 options down: new entry, delete entry and find and customize. In the customize column you can select, I want only title, first name, I don't want last name, so you can remove this, delete this. Okay, delete it. Select the entry and then click the delete entry and you will get the box delete entry. This delete entry and you will get the topic. Okay. Customize columns, and then here delete button is there. You can select and here delete the option. Okay, here is the option delete. You can click this delete option and the option what you selected will be deleted. And see here, title, first name, there is no last name. So like that, whatever topics you want you can give, whatever you don't want you can select and work phone. You don't want you can click the delete button here and it will be deleted. Yes, if you give yes command it will be deleted. So what are the topics you want you can give, and then you can type here the matters whatever you want. Title you can give, I am giving 1. Then you can give the name here, whatever name you want. I am giving here Aliza. Then company name I am giving St. John's. One more entry, at least you minimum 3 entries you should make. Okay, so you can make like this, second 2 and type any other name created. You can also create like this same. To anyone you have to type the real one, otherwise the email letter will not go. So like that I have created 3 contacts here. Okay, then you can give here OK button and you can see it will be saved here. Okay, so if you want, I have already created a main document and data source. Data source is a recipient list. So both I have created. Now we can enter this. You can see here in the previous one I already created, so you can here any title like this and save the list. Okay, I am saving the list which I type 3 names. So here I have given the command. In the previous one you can see the 4th page I have given. 4th page I gave greeting line. So that is the greeting line came here. So now the greeting line comes Dear Aliza करके आता है. It changes this one. So you can see here merge insert field. Anything if you want to insert you can click this and insert that. If you whatever title you give, that only you have to select. Without the title you cannot select. First name I give and the address 1 I give. So this only will come. Now I type here, I click here, cancel this and click first wherever you want. I have clicked here and I am clicking insert a merge field. So I am giving here first name. So you will get the first name, insert. See, first name has come. And if you give the company name, and also you will get whatever title you give, that you will get company name. and insert. You will get here. Okay, see, you can like this, you will get. You have to click the insert here on the top, insert mail merge field, then you will get the titles here. Whatever titles you want, you can give whichever you have typed in the recipient list. That list will come here. This is all about mail merge. If you have finished all this, you can give this command finish command you can give. If you have finished all the work, then you can preview the results, and the results see here, it is changed Aliza and St. John's. Okay, like that you can change and insert, merge both the files. Thank you.